The Lost Puppy. Once upon a time, there was a little girl named Sarah. She loved animals, especially dogs. One day, while playing in the park, Sarah found a small, brown puppy. The puppy looked sad and lost. Sarah decided to help the puppy. She picked him up gently and looked around, but no one seemed to be looking for the dog. She took the puppy home and gave him water and food. The puppy wagged his tail happily. Sarah and her family tried to find the owner of the puppy. They put up posters and asked the neighbors, but no one came forward. Days passed, and the puppy started to feel like part of the family. Sarah named him Buddy. One morning, Sarah was walking Buddy in the park when a boy approached them. "That's my dog," the boy exclaimed. Sarah felt sad but knew it was the right thing to do. She returned Buddy to the boy. The boy thanked her and promised to take better care of his dog. Although Sarah missed Buddy, she was happy she helped him find his home. And from that day on, Sarah would always smile when she saw a puppy, remembering her short but sweet time with Buddy. Vocabulary: puppy, cachorro, lost, perdida, a owner, dueño, a wag, mover la cola, exclaimed, exclamó, gently, suavemente.